Guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kayla, and today I'm going to be doing this simple go-to makeup look. Any occasion. It's quick, it's easy, and it looks good. So if you want to see how I get this look, then just keep watching. Okay, I'm going to start with my brows. I'm using the Anastasia Brow Wiz in the color Chocolate. And I'm just going to take this and outline my brow. Just following the natural shape. I'm going to just soften up the front of my brow. It's alright if we make mistakes because we're going to go back and clean it up. Bro, this pencil is almost gone. I'm almost out of this pencil and I'm like, we're going to be able to finish this brow? R.I.P. She's gone. I'm hurt. I'm going to take this LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Medium Beige, and I'm just going to spot treat some dark spots that I have on my face. I like taking this up under my eye before I put on foundation. It evens out my skin tone because I do have bags or dark circles, whatever you want to call them. But this just covers them up. And I'm just going to let this sit and dry. I'm not going to blend it in or anything. I'm taking that same concealer that I just used and I'm cleaning up under my brow. This is what I meant by you can kind of fix some of your mistakes if you went down too low or whatever the case may be. This kind of hides the hair too, like if you got some little stragglers, need your brows done, this might help you. Now I'm going to just take this fluffy brush, it's from e.l.f. and I'm going to just buff this out. For foundation, I'm using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation in the shade Warm Honey. And I'm using a damp Real Technique sponge. You want to make sure you take your time with blending, just so we can be seamless and pretty and look smooth. See how that concealer underneath the foundation just dark circles who? Dark circles where? No, but for real. I really like that trick. I like it like that. Okay. Get this 5 head in order. This part's always annoying, trying to get around my brows. Since I do my brows first, it's like, I don't even care though. I just go in. To highlight, I'm taking this NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer in the color Fresh Beige. I like going a couple shades lighter just to brighten up my under eye. I'm gonna put some on my chin, just a little, and down the bridge of my nose. Like that. I'm just going to blend this out now. I'm using the same sponge that I use for my foundation, just the pointy side. Whenever I want to blend out the edges, or if I just see that something needs to be blended, I like taking the side that I use for my foundation and just tapping it with that. That kind of just blends everything together better. I love this foundation and this concealer. I swear, it just blends together so good. They're a match made in heaven. To set this in place, I'm using Laura Mercier setting powder or translucent powder. You want to set this so that it doesn't move, the concealer doesn't move. I like this powder because, this particular powder, because it just works for me. It doesn't give me flashback. It looks smooth. It's just perfect. Taking this Sephora Micro Smooth powder in the color Tan, and I'm just going to dust this powder away. Also just smooth it on the rest of my skin. It just gives it a flawless finish. I'm just using some clear brow gel to set my brows in place. I just like how that makes my brows look fluffy. I don't know, it does something to my brows that I like. Now I'm a contour. I'm using this Anastasia contour kit in medium tan. I'm using these two shades right here. And I'm just going to put this on the hollows of my cheek. This just warms the face back up, because when you put foundation on, it just makes you look flat. If you just leave it like that, you just look flat. That's just my opinion. And you can kind of see the natural contour of your face. Like, I haven't put any product in or anything yet, but this little shadow right here, that's where you want to put it. Then I just squeeze the brush a little bit and take it down my nose for a soft little contour of the nose. Put a little blush on. This is the Tarte Amazonian Clay blush in Party. Yeah, Party. I'm just putting this on the apples of my cheeks. I'm taking it up a little bit, just a little bit. I don't like too much blush, ever so lightly. We're gonna dust this on the face. Okay, now I'm gonna go into this Tarte Pro palette, this one right here. And I'm using the third color called Whimsy. I'm just doing one color for shadow. Nothing too crazy. I'm just going to sweep this on my eye in windshield wiper motions. I like doing this just because I don't want my eye to look just blank and plain like that. Taking that same color, I'm just gonna put that under my eye. Now for the hard part. No, it's not really hard, but I'm about to put some liner in my waterline. I don't like this part. Just take a little bit of brown and smoke that out. Just a little bit. Now I'm gonna highlight. I'm just gonna take this on the highest points of my cheek. Ooh. On my brow bone. Go down the bridge of my nose just a little. Take some of my Cupid's bow. This is the NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray. For mascara, I'm just using the Big Shot Mascara by Maybelline in collaboration with Makeup Shayla. I love her so much. I like this mascara because it gives me lashes even though I don't have much. Why are my lips so pink? Wow. I'm taking this NYX lip liner in Nude Truffle. Taking this Maybelline Color Sensation in the color Blush and Beige. It looks crazy right now. It's okay though. See how it just comes together? Yes. So this is the finished look. If you guys enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of me, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.